Okay, here we go. Starting the... Are we all ready for this?
Yeah.
So far the trail is not bad. It's actually been pretty easy. So, okay, we're expecting it to get a lot tougher in the next little while. Okay. This is a tough one. H8, we finally made it. Okay, getting ready to go. This is day 2. Attempt going down here to the water. Put this bracket on here. I'll film a bit of this, but it's pretty steep, so I have to set the camera down. But yeah, we're going down there. I'm probably going to go down on my bum a lot. You okay? Okay, Ann? You okay? This is where we plan on swimming. The campsite's way up there. We somehow have to get in and out of the water here. There's our site. It was an awesome site. This is H20. And today's our tough day. The Moose's Pass. Today. And we're going to we'll be climbing the highest elevation in the whole park today. Too, I think. Careful. Be careful, sweetie. In there. So that rock is slippery. Ooh. Okay. We made it to H21. Now on to H22. And then the fun begins. Well, here we are in a remote part of Killarney Park. This is the area we are right now. And we had to call emergency services. Erin sprained her ankle. And it's badly sprained. She can barely crawl right now. So we had to hit the SOS button. Emergency services is saying 2 hours. So we're at a high spot here. You can see high elevation, and we've got a thunderstorm coming, so we've had to set up shelter. But so this was gonna be our challenging day, but the rocks were wet and really made it difficult today. So anyways, the storm you can see right there is coming, and we'll go back. I'll show you the temporary shelter we set up. Basically just clear. This is the actual trail right here, going up that way, up there, and so we've set up the tent in here, and we're about to get a downpour, I think. So anyway, 2 hours. It's 2:42, July 24th, and 4:30 is roughly when they say they'll be here. Not sure how they're going to do that. Probably a helicopter. We don't know. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay. Update here. We're waiting for the EMS to show up. It said 4:30, so it should be in half an hour. The rain has stopped a bit. There was a lot of lightning and thunder. And now to wait. You can see the mist on the mountains there. The distance, and you can hear the rumbling. Current location, and we had to use the SOS, so it says SOS in progress, and Garmin got in contact with Manitoulin OPP. OPP contacted EMS, and they gave us a 2-hour estimate. And I tried to update them in the forecast, but it failed, so it's not charging us. So thank God for the Garmin inReach. I guess we've still got some weather out here. Okay, take the cover. Okay, we're gonna go in and see how Erin's doing. I'll come around that side. I'll come around the other side, then. Come around. Yeah, your ankle's gonna. Let's see the ankle situation. That's pretty swollen.